Hi everyone, my name is Craig Golightly, and welcome to my course, Excel Logic Function Playbook. I am a senior software consultant. Boolean logic and conditionals are at the core of computing and can allow you to handle complex scenarios with ease. Whether you are just getting started or need a refresher for a few functions, this course is designed for you as an easy reference for logic functions in Excel. You will learn function syntax, pitfalls to avoid, best practices to follow, and see examples of the functions in action. We will cover the following functions: and, or, not, true, false, if else, if error. By the end of this course, you will understand where and how to use these functions in your Excel spreadsheets. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Excel. From here, you should feel comfortable continuing to other Excel courses such as Excel Statistics and Finance Function Playbook, Managing Excel Workbooks for Analytics. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about logic and control functions in Excel with the Excel Logic Function Playbook course at Pluralsight.